Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, miles or basically kilometers, pounds or kilograms. Here is how to actually change the measurement units in Garmin Connect app in the 2026 version. Whether you are using an iOS or Android, it doesn't really matter since it's the same app, same settings. So, fast and easy as usual, let's get started. First thing first, open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet. Go all the way and tap on Garmin Connect. So we are here in the app, all we're gonna do is using your email address and password to access this dashboard. Now we're gonna tap on more or this three-dot menu. And go all the way and tap on settings or this gear icon. Now go all the way to tap user settings. So as you see here, we have gender, birthday, age, height, weight, activity class, bedtime, wake up time, and the units. All you're gonna do now is tap on measurement units. So they're gonna ask you, what do you want? Do you want the metric? So the metric includes the kilometers, kilograms, and even meters. The statute includes miles, feet, pounds, but the UK version, miles by elevation in meters. So select your preference, it saves automatically, don't even worry about that. As for an important note, it's basically, there is also I would say a catch. Changing units in the app does not change your watch, since your watch has its own unit settings. So on your watch, hold the menu app button, go to system, format, then go to units. Set each measurement individually, including distance, pace, elevation, weight, and even temperature. Then sync after changing both. Now your watch and app are fully matching. And that's it. Thank you all for watching. I will see you all in the next video.